Namaste dear students, welcome to the online classes of Vivekananda PU College, Puttur. In last session we discussed the problems under petty cash book. What is that petty cash book? Petty cash book is a book or a statement. It is recorded the small types of payments. Small types of payments are recorded under petty cash book. Under which system? That is impressed system. So, let us going to discuss another problem under petty cash book. See, record the following transactions in the petty cash book under impressed system. What is that impressed system? So, impressed system is nothing but the main cashier gives some amount to the petty cashier. Out of this amount he is going to pay the small amounts, small payments. So, under impressed system, see the transactions are January 1st 2017, this is the accounting period as I said. So, January 1st 2017 received cash from head cashier. So, main cashier gives some amount to the petty cashier to make the payments. So, received cash from head cashier, how much? Rupees 1000. So, this is the impressed amount. And January 3rd 2017 next transaction spent for postage rupees 58 postage. So, some charges, some postal facilities used by the organization, for that purpose we have to pay some amount. So, that is postage amount rupees how much? 58. Next, January 7, 2017 travelling expenses to the manager. So, travelling expenses using through a bus or auto or cab facility. So, for that we have to pay some charges, that is 75 rupees. And January 9, 2017 paid for office cleaning. So, we have to pay some payments to the workers to clean the cleaning the offices. So, that is 98 rupees. And 2017, that is January 12, 2017 paid subscription to newspapers. Paid subscriptions means monthly payment. We have to pay some amounts to the newspaper agents. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮನೆಗೆ ತಂದು ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್, ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ rupees 80. Next, 15th January 2017 messaging charges. We have to transfer some messages, send some messages to your customers or clients or any other employees using phones, telephones. So, that is we have to pay some mobile charges, right. So, that is a messaging charges rupees 30. And next one is auto fare. That is comes under conveyance. We have to use auto some for what? Traveling from one place to another place. So, this is auto fare 25,000. And Xerox charges, we have to take the Xeroxes from other letters or any other invitations. So, ಎಲ್ಲ invitations ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು Xerox ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So, for that we have to pay some amount, that is 40 rupees. And refreshment to customers, we have to give some refreshments or tea or coffee facilities to your customers. For that purpose we have to pay some amount, 50 rupees, that is refreshments to customers. And cartage is goods, that is vehicle using goods transferring from one place to another place, that is cartage. So, using this transaction we have to prepare the petty cash book. So, what is the format of petty cash book? So, write the heading petty cash book and draw the columns, that is amount received, first column is amount received, and next column is date. The date column is to record a transaction systematically, and particulars, and voucher number Next one is amount paid. Amount paid. Next part is analysis of payment. Analysis of payment. Under this, first one is postage and telephone and telegrams. Next, conveyance, stationeries and miscellaneous expenses. Postage, telephone and telegrams, conveyance and stationery and miscellaneous expenses, other expenses. So this is the format of petty cash book. So let us prepare. First transaction is received cash from head cashier. So petty cashier received some amount, that is 1000 amount from the main cashier or head cashier. Received cash from head cashier. What is the amount? Impressed amount is 1000. Date 1st January 2017. So received cash from whom? Main cashier or head cashier, rupees 1000. Next one is January 3rd January 2017, spent for postage, postal facilities. Organization is used the postal facility. For that the petty cashier paid some amount, that is spent for postage, rupees how much? 58. So postage, so under analysis of payment comes under postage, or postal payments comes under postage column itself. So 58. Next transaction is travelling expenses to the manager. What is the date? 7 January 2017. Travelling expenses to the manager. What is the amount? 75 rupees. So travelling expenses under analysis of payment, this comes under conveyance, 75 rupees. Okay. Next one, January 9, 2017, that is paid for office cleaning. 9 January 2017, paid for office cleaning. Organization or petty cashier paid some amount to the workers for office cleaning, that is amount is 98 rupees. Office cleaning, so comes under, comes under postage? No. That is telephone and telegrams? No. So this amount comes under miscellaneous expenses, other expenses. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರದೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಅಂಡರ್ miscellaneous expenses. Next transaction is January 12, 2017, that is paid subscription to newspaper. Paid subscription to newspaper. Paid subscriptions to newspaper, 12 January 2017, that is amount is 80. Paid subscription comes under which column? That is miscellaneous expenses. So subscription means membership fees or monthly payment for the services provided by the newspaper agents or magazine agents. So for their facility you have to pay some charges, that is 80 rupees, that is comes under miscellaneous expenses, that is other expenses. And next one is 15th Jan 2017 messaging charges. Messaging charges rupees, how much? Messaging charges 30 rupees. So 30 rupees. So messaging charges using telephones. So that is comes under telephone and telegrams, 30 rupees. So messaging charges comes under telephone and telegrams. Okay, next one, 18th January 2017, that is auto fare. Auto fare, that is, see here, travelling expenses to the manager using some cab facility or auto facility or bus facility, whatever it is. So auto fare, so specifically given auto fare comes under conveyance. Rupees how much? Auto fare 25 rupees. 25 rupees comes under conveyance. Okay, next one is 20th January 2017 Xerox charges. 20th January 2017 Xerox charges. Xerox charges, that is ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟು ಪೇ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, that is 40 rupees. So 40 rupees also comes under miscellaneous expenses, other expenses. It is not comes under postage or telephone and telegrams or conveyance or stationery. So this comes under miscellaneous expenses. Next transaction is 26/1/2017 refreshments to customers. Refreshments to customers. So organization providing facilities like tea or coffee to the customers. For that we have to pay some amount, that is rupees 50. This is comes under also miscellaneous expenses, other expenses. Next last one, 31st January 2017 cartage. Cartage, the vehicle used to transferring of goods from one place to another place, that is rupees 20. So cartage facilities also comes under, it is not a conveyance, it is a miscellaneous expenses, goods. So that is comes under other expenses. So all the transactions are finished. Okay. So let us calculate all the columns. Let us total all the columns. +58 +75 +98 +80 +30 25 40 50 +20, that is total how much? 476. 476. So the postage column only one item 58. Next telephone and telegrams 30. Next conveyance 75 plus 25 100, and under stationery there is no items. Next miscellaneous expenses amount is rupees 288. So 58 plus 30 plus 100 plus 288 is equal to 476. Next the balance carried down. Balance carried down how much? See, the impressed amount is 1000 impressed amount is 1000, that is received by the main cashier, petty cashier received by the main cashier 1000. So out of this amount how much he spent, that is 476. 1000 minus 476, remaining is 524. So this is the balancing amount, 524. Here also 1000. See, the impressed amount is 1000 and 476 spent out of this amount. Using this amount he spent 476 and 524 is a balancing amount. So next accounting period he has to receive some amount, that is 476 to cover the impressed amount. Impressed amount ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 476 amount ಅನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 1000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 1000 once again the impressed amount. Hope you are cleared about the concept of petty cash book and problems. So the problems are very important for your 6 marks. So in the next session we are going to discuss another chapter, new chapter. Thank you.